Hey friends, in this video I'll show you how to top up your Bybit account quickly, easily and securely. There are several accessible methods, using cryptocurrency, a bank card, P2P trading or an online exchanger. We'll break down each option step by step, go over fees, pros and cons, and highlight key safety tips to help you avoid mistakes and keep your funds safe. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. That helps others discover it and motivates us to create more useful guides. Deposit via cryptocurrency, USDT. This method is ideal if you already have USDT on another exchange or in an external wallet. Go to Wallet, Deposit. Select USDT and choose the TRC20 network. Copy the wallet address generated by Bybit. Open the platform or wallet where your USDT is stored. Paste the copied address, enter the amount and confirm the transfer. Make sure you select the TRC20 network. Using a different network may result in lost funds. Transfers usually take around 5 minutes. Pros, low fee, just 1 USDT. Fast processing. Cons, you need to already have crypto on an external platform. Buying USDT with a bank card. If you don't have crypto yet but do have a bank card, this is one of the easiest options. On the Bybit homepage, click Buy Crypto. Select USDT and enter the amount you want to purchase. Choose your payment method, Visa or MasterCard. Fill in your card details and confirm the payment. Keep in mind, this method isn't available in all regions. If it doesn't work for you, switch to P2P trading. Pros, fast and convenient. Direct payment from your card. Cons, higher fees, typically 1 to 3%. Deposit via P2P trading. If you want to buy crypto directly from other users, Bybit's P2P platform is a great choice. Go to the P2P trading section, click Buy, and select your local currency. Enter the amount. The system will show how much USDT you'll receive. Choose a reliable seller. Look for a 90% plus rating, at least 400 trades, and a sufficient reserve. Transfer the funds using your banking app to the seller's account. Click Payment Completed, and wait for confirmation. Funds usually arrive in your account within 5 to 10 minutes. Never send money outside the platform. It's not safe. Pros, many payment options, often zero fees. Cons, you need to carefully check the seller's profile and the rate might be slightly higher. Depositing via online exchanger, BestChange. If you want to quickly convert fiat to crypto, use BestChange, a platform that lists trusted exchange services. Click the link in the description to visit BestChange. It's an aggregator of verified exchangers. On the left side, choose your payment method, for example, bank card. And on the right, select what you want to receive, USDT, TRC20. Find an exchanger with a good rate and solid reviews. Enter the amount and fill in your payment details. Copy your Bybit wallet address, wallet, deposit, USDT, TRC20, copy. Paste that address into the exchanger's form and complete the payment. USDT usually arrives in your Bybit account within 5 to 30 minutes. Pros, beginner friendly, supports most bank cards. Cons, speed and exchange rate depend on the service you choose. Friends, all the top exchanges and trusted wallets with exclusive bonuses are waiting for you in the links below. You'll also find our Telegram channel packed with insights, fresh updates, and helpful content. Stop shouting into the void. Join the crypto community and start taking action. Quick recap of deposit methods. Crypto, TRC20, fast and low cost. Bank card, convenient but higher fees. P2P, zero fees, lots of options, but seller rating matters. Exchanger, flexible and simple, but speed and rate depend on the service. Don't forget, always double check your wallet address, selected network, and seller reputation. Never send funds directly, only use official platform tools. Other options are available too, bank transfers, Apple Pay or Google Pay, and third-party payment providers inside the app. But in most cases, the easiest and most reliable methods are crypto transfers, cards, P2P, or exchangers. That's it. Your balance is topped up. You're ready to hit the market and start trading. We've covered all the practical and proven ways to fund your Bybit account. Now it's your move. If this video helped you out, hit that like button right now. It's more than just a click, it's fuel for future content.